Hello kids, let's draw with me today. Now see, I am drawing today a simple cone. C for cone. See how I am drawing a simple cone drawing. Now kids, draw now a sketch with me. C for cone. This is cone. Now designing cone with dark brown color. See kids how I am designing cone with dark brown color. Now designing with me kids in a cone. See for cone. This is a simple sketch of a cone. Kids, do you easily draw this sketch? Now draw now with me kids. Let's coloring in ice cream on cone. Now first of all I am doing pink color in first part of ice cream on cone. Pink color in cone. Now parrot color in second part of ice cream of cone. This is tasty yummy ice cream. Tasty yummy ice cream. Now next part I am doing dark blue color in ice cream of cone. Tasty yummy ice cream. Kids, do you can draw a simple ice cream cone? Now light brown color in part of cone. See for cone. Now I am doing light brown color in part of cone. Wow, today I am drawing a beautiful sketch of C for cone and beautiful coloring in tasty yummy cones.